Hi, this is Dr. Bill Berkowitz of Life Chiropractic in Grass Valley. Today I want to talk about 3 little-known critical factors in successfully using HRV in stress treatment. First, what's HRV? HRV stands for Heart Rate Variability. It measures the distance or the time between each heart rate, each heartbeat. You see, if your heart beats 60 beats a minute, it should not beat once every second. It should be 0.7 of a second, 0.8 of a second, 0.83 of a second, and so on. The more variable it is, the healthier you are. And so an instrument, HRV, measures that and can give you an indication of how healthy your nervous system is, specifically how well it responds and deals with stress. You see, 90% of all illness and disease is stress related, and 75% of all visits to doctor's offices are for stress related illnesses. So HRV gives a window into the health of your nervous system. If you change HRV, you change your nervous system. If you change your nervous system, you change your health. And that is how we deal with stress. So HRV gives a way to monitor that. So here are the 3 critical factors. One, it's really important to get a baseline measurement. Where are you before you start something? You really don't know how well something's working unless you have a measurement that tells you where you were and compare that to where you are. So it's really critical to take an HRV measurement on the front end of that. 2, the second critical factor is that you use it to measure the effectiveness of whatever treatment or intervention you're using. See, I use a number of interventions directly related to changing how the nervous system responds to stress. And HRV is a great way to measure the effectiveness. Sometimes you can feel worse than you really are, and sometimes you can feel a lot better than you are. HRV will give you a way of looking and measuring how well things are going. 2 or 3, in terms of this, is looking at long-term change. Because if you want to be healthy, if you want to be as healthy as you possibly can, if you want to feel as good as you possibly can, if you want to perform your best in all areas of your life, then you want your nervous system to be healthy. And HRV is a means of measuring that. You see, you can be exposed to long-term stress for weeks, months, years, even decades before you get sick, before you develop significant pain, before you develop anxiety or headaches, or the list goes on and on. Stomach issues, digestion issues, breathing problems, blood pressure problems. All of that can be developing for years before you ever develop a symptom. So let's look at changing HRV as much as we can. And we can use it to help find what works best for you. So if you're interested in scheduling an appointment with me, go to my website, lifewithinchiropractic.com. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube, my Instagram, and my Facebook channels so make sure that you get all of the postings that I do on a regular basis. I look forward to seeing you again. Thank you.